What is going on, Twitch? What is going on? It's your boy Knack. It's your boy Knack. What's going on, guys? About to get started on this RE4 demo once again. This time I'm going to be doing a little bit of like secrets I discovered hearing about it. I watched some videos online and I saw some secrets, so I was like, let me like, I guess just try.
It's a day I'll never forget.
You know, just try to find out how to unlock new guns and
That night, Raccoon City was wiped
other
out.
things about it, you know, other fancy things I could figure out.
Somehow we made it.
Other than that, how is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? It's your boy, it's your guy.
I was asked later to join a top secret government program.
Game is beautiful. I really wanted to,
That I had a choice.
I wanted to,
Finishing missions.
play it again no matter what, because I just liked how the game, you know,
At least I kept my mind
played in
off
general.
everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
So yeah, guys, let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. The game here. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, a precedent biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where the intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find here. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Chapter 1, Chapter 1. Ain't nothing going on, ain't nothing going on. Alright, let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. Wondering why I'm not hearing this on, one second. Wondering why I'm not hearing this. I don't know. Alright, let's just keep going, though. Let's keep going. Alright, RE4. Secrets. Why would they do that to that deer like that? It's so unnecessary. You know me, always looking for shit. Oh, is that a... It is, but I think for this beginning part, you can't do anything. You can't, like, open... Leon, you used to this shit. Why are you so scared for? Come on.
Anyone home?
Anyone home? Like, what the fuck? Leon's here. One second, guys. 1 second. He's like, yo, like, I like how he's just walking over just to to finish him off. Like, yo, so nah, son, you shouldn't be in this house.
You know what you need?
Like, you shouldn't be in this house, son. Leon's like innocent right now, and he's like, oh shit. Oh shit. It's like, yo! You wildin'! You wildin'! This part's wild. Look at this. Kicks him into a wall. Neck is like snapped. Like, how? How, son? How do you do that? How do you kick someone into a wall and their neck snaps like that? What kind of like special ops training Leon got to make him that strong? He's even stronger than the original game. The original game was going for like that Matrix cool flipping Esquire kind of like energy. And this version is even more of that. Like, that kick was out of this world, for real. Alright, I got this key. Let's go inside. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ooh, it's dark in here. It's dark in here. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm an expert, though. I'm an expert. You know how I do this. You know how I do this. Come on, y'all. You know, nobody be really... People tune in, but they don't stay. But this game, trust me, it's chill, alright? It's chill. This Leon is so much more experienced. They fucked him up, but hey, this game ain't scary. I'll tell you that. Like RE2 was creepy. This game is just a lot of suspense. Like just has you on the edge of your seat. You'd be like, oh shit, run, 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 but not in a scary way. Alright, so... Oh shit. Come on! I shot the shit out, homie. Huh. Where you at? They just made him do that just for him to do it. Like, that's lame as fuck, bro. I lost mad health right there. Alright. Time to run through. Eat it, both of you. How did you survive that? Kicked you into the wall. Ooh, neck snap and all that. Y'all not fucking with this. Come on now. Y'all not fucking with this. At all. At all, B. Oh, okay, I think it's a whole different door I gotta run through. I think it's through here. Yeah, it's upstairs. Anything over here I gotta grab? No, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Leon, man, it's been 6 years since we last seen you for the next gen remake. It's been 6 years. But I like how back then in the 90s they kind of tied it in perfectly. Like 1998 in real life was when RE2 came out, and then Resident Evil 4 came out in 2004. So that was actually 6 years.
Well done.
It's a cool fun fact. But yeah, guys, yeah, this is RE4 Demo. We about to continue this.
Something's happened to the people here.
Something's happened to the people here. Oh shit. Yo, I'm a visitor. Yo, wildin'. Oh my goodness. Good. Oh! See what I mean? Leon became a badass, bruh. I like how they just stayed in the house after that. Map updated, head for the lake. This game, the camera's very close up to Leon, yeah. And the no HUD gives it like a little bit of a more creepier atmosphere. Like back then, that would always be up, the health and all that. I'm not shooting no crows because I don't have that much ammo. Hey, 12 rounds. Oh, that's nice. Gunpowder. Did I pick it up? Did I pick it up? Yeah, I did. Alright guys, this is RE4 Demo Secrets. I completed it before, but for this playthrough, I completed it with only the handgun, to be real with you. I see other guns in the game, and I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, here. Oh, where you going? How you running without no head, B? How he do that? Is his friend's in alcohol too, right? Nice. Y'all not fucking with this. Oh, I forgot about that. Every playthrough, I forget that's there.
Damn it.
Have no time. Oof. You know I'm a veteran, right? Why would you try that shit on me? Alright guys, we're going through. Alright, so part of this secret, apparently I have to throw away everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's scary how you could throw away the gun now. Okay, throw away everything. Alright. I'm not watching that. You'll have to burn his ass. Fuck. Hey, it's open. Awesome. Lit. Oh, that's so awesome. TMP, guys. Got this strong ass gun, bro. Move. Ow. Whew. Easy. This game is so chill with this fucking TMP, bro. Stupid. Haha, you stupid. You guys just be throwing that like that? Like, what's wrong with y'all, B? Where's the chainsaw guy? I know he's like in one of these spots. Ah, fuck. Know what I'm about to do? Fuck it. Run my ass in here. Can't fuck with this, can't fuck with me. No matter how much times I play this, I always get a little bit nervous. A little bit. Yo, this game is fucking ruthless. Oh! Wait, huh? What the freak? Oh, ow! How'd they do that to me? Ow. Fuck, 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 fuck. I'm about to die, alright. I'm about to die. Fuck. Almost died there, guys. Give me the full thing, baby. Give it to me. Okay. Oh yeah, I threw away my flash grenade, fuck. Okay, I got handgun ammo, I got shotgun. For now, I'll use a shotgun until he pops up. Come here, come here. Leon, put on the fucking... Equip it. Yes, equip that. Ow. Fuck. You know what I'm used to? Remember we used to like choose the selection for the gun in the previous game and then it would pop up? Now you gotta click down. Here's what I can use though. Oh, I meant to use that on the motherfucking chainsaw guy. Any more TMP ammo? Okay, I gotta do this smart. Oh, fuck. 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 I have nothing. Nothing left. Yes, 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 yes. Hell yes. Hell yeah, baby. Ow, what the fuck? Why did you punch me like that, you jackass? Ah. Fuck you. Jerk. I wanted to kill the chainsaw guy. Well, guys, of course, you know I'll still continue. I'm gonna redo the demo again. So here you get to keep the TMP as playing. So that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. I like that. I like that. That was very exciting. Very exciting. I wonder if I wonder if you don't whatchamacallit. I'm a little tense, guys. Give me a second. I thought I was about to die right there, but I didn't. But yeah, I wish they'd just give you more ammo in general, son. But it's all good. It's all good. I like that. I like that. I like that. Very exactly the same as the previous game. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it, and I can't wait.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Bingo. It's really messed up how they did him. How do you burn a man like that on a stake like that? It just doesn't make any sense, man. That's just messed up. I don't get that. That's just messed up. It's just messed up, yo. I don't care how deranged, evil, or messed up you are in general. Don't be doing shit like that. Just don't be doing that shit. Okay? Don't be doing that. Thank you for playing. Alright. So because you did that, I think you now have the gun in general, from what I've been told. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, guys. Let's do it again. Well, from what I hear,
September 30th, 1998.
you get to keep
The day I'll never forget.
the day I'll never forget.
The cop inside me died that day. That
No,
night,
he didn't.
Raccoon City was wiped out. Thanks to the bioweapons.
There's still a cop to me, Leon.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Yo, that part
Training.
had
Pushing missions. Really killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
the pain.
For a second. This time, it can be different.
Alright, guys, let's continue this one more time. One more time. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's continue this, baby. See what's taking so long.
How far could he have gone?
How far could he have gone? I want to actually kill the chainsaw man. That's gonna actually make me go, okay, bet. Like, I did that shit. This house.
Anyone home?
Anyone home? Like dead ass? Nothing. Yeah, I'm replaying it again because I absolutely want to kill the chainsaw guy. Hey, what are you doing in my house? His face is like, oh, so you just walked into my house, huh?
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí.
The question I got for you is, what's the three-letter word that starts with gas? A three-letter word that starts with gas? What? A three-letter word that starts with gas.
Fuck, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Kicks him into a wall, neck snaps. Like, how do you do that to somebody? Like, how does that work, bro? Leon is stronger than Mr. X in this game. That still has me.
Not good.
Hey.
Man, that stinks.
They give me the TMP at the beginning. The TMP at the beginning. What? What? The TMP at the beginning. What they give me? The TMP at the beginning. TMP at the beginning. That's what I'm talking about. I will not use the TMP until homie with the chainsaw hops that shit up. Until homie with the chainsaw pops out, that's when I'll use it. Use that TMP, baby. That TMP is a secret, guys. But the real secret for this playthrough, for this stream, is to kill the chainsaw man. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Long time, long time. How's everything? How's everything? What's his name? I'm enjoying this game, and it's HD graphics, super HD graphics with Leon remade for like the 14th time, but with like PS5 engine. Yeah. I totally I wanted to unlock something I saw on YouTube. A little the guy with the broken neck that I kicked earlier. Oh fuck. Stop chasing after me. Stop. Come here. You're supposed to be dead.
This just keeps getting worse.
He took 6 rounds. This man with the broken neck took 6 rounds. How do you take 6 rounds with a broken neck? Very Capcom-like. But yeah, this demo is really nice. I love this demo. It's a fun time. It's a fun time. I'm about to sneak on them MGS style. Pop up. Boom! Surprise! Ow! It's not even all that serious. Why'd you do that? Super Leon kick. Man, I'm telling you right now, the same thing happened to me. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard. I'm playing it. I go up the ladder in the village part, you know, when everyone finds out you're there and shit. And I fall through it. I don't know why they made it like that in this demo. I fall through it, and the chainsaw guy just cuts me up from there. I was like, that was brutal. The second time, I ran around so scared, and I was surprised that I just heard the bell, and I said, oh shit, I think I beat it. I heard that bell, and I was like, okay. Yeah, that chainsaw man used that chainsaw, and I was like, wow. I know games are supposed to be hard, but damn, this is not an easy. I mean, the previous game really wasn't that easy either. There literally wasn't an easy. It wasn't like an easy mode in the original RE4. It was just normal or professional. So I think this is going for that same kind of grab, either normal or professional. Yeah, it comes out what, in like 10 days? It's crazy. Guys, I'm visiting. Like, why are you chopping my? Oh my goodness. Good lord, and there's 3 of you. Well, guess what, guys? I'm Leon. Look what I can do. Yeah, you can't do that, can you? Oh man. Twitch may shut down. No, I'm joking. In a way where everybody's gonna be reliving and playing this. I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness. I was like, hey, cool. They made the demo and stuff. Look at the blood on this bridge right here. Look at all this, like, just Capcom keeps outdoing themselves. This is just too much right now. It's too much. This is too much. I wish the demo was longer. The PC guys can sort of mod the game so they can, you know, play the game, I guess, for a longer period of time and see the more secrets. You know, it's a demo, guys, so we can't save. No save. None of that save music. Oh, I hear people. I hear people. They're talking in that language. They didn't hear me run, did they? Hi guys. Anyone there? Ah, shit, there you go. Oh, you running after me. That was not supposed to happen, yo. I hate how, like... Get out of my face, yo. I hate how, like, smart they are now. Look at this. Running after me and shit. Right? Leon's a strong man, though. Shit. Where's the other one? Oh, okay. I see you to my left. I see you. I'm not... I have experience in Resident Evil games. Oh, you're back, aren't you? He's back. He reanimated. He reanimated. Alright, now you're out for the count. Got me some pesetas. Got me some money after those 2 kills. Capcom style. I was scared if this game would be so HD when they die. They don't, damn bear traps. Not even a bear, damn it. What the fuck? Fucking bear traps, yo. But yeah, I thought, like, you know, this game would be so HD when they die, they don't, like, disintegrate, and you don't get any ammo or nothing. You get no herbs, you get nothing. I was like, it's gonna be a really hard game to always just kick crates to pick up ammo and shit. I don't want money, I want ammo and fucking herbs. I want weed and bullets. I fucking need hybrids, I need red herbs, green herbs, fuck it, yellow, blue. There's one more jackass in there. Okay. Running after me and shit like a no home training. Cut you RE4 style after I knock you on the ground. Alright. Flash grenade, hell yeah. Got everything I need. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. There we go, red herb. Yes, yes, yes. Craft this together. Pineapple Express. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, let's continue, let's continue. Let's continue, let's continue. Off to the village. Fucking stinks in here. Alright guys, let's check this place out, check this place out. Isn't that the guy that drove me here? Yo. I don't want to watch that shit, son. Alright guys, I am not him, I am not your enemy. Don't hit me, don't do shit, alright? I am playing the game the way the game's supposed to be played. I'm a run in the house. Alright, alright, alright. It's rock and roll time, guys. It's rock and roll. Uh-oh. Chainsaw Man. It's crazy. This game knows when you run in here. I think they know you're a veteran the minute you run into the house. So they're like, they amp it up. They're like, nah, B. It's my lucky day. Leon, stop being a pretty boy for 1 second. It's my lucky day. Chainsaw Man's coming. Okay. Pick this up. No. Chainsaw Man should be coming. Outside I go. Fuck. Stop running after me like that. What did I do to you guys? What did I do to you guys? Like shit. Okay, it's time I throw that little... Boom! About hitting it with another one. Okay. Time for the flash grenade. Oof, about to fuck him up. Everyone gets kicked. Everybody. Take it. Take it. Should have all stayed in the house. Fuck. Ow. No, 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 no. Do not cut me with that chainsaw, motherfucker. Do not cut me with that. Why are you throwing things at me? I'm a visitor, damn it. I'm here to save the president's daughter. Oh my god. It took a lot of health, yo. Okay, everyone's... Ah! Leon, move! Leon, go! Okay. I want to kill the chainsaw man, so I'm gonna have to just deal with the punches right now. Yes. Bitch. Fuck, that was supposed to kill him. That was supposed to do it. Where is the shotgun? Is he dead? He's not dead. Yo! How? I was murking his shit. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? I was murking him. I was doing such a good job, right? Wendy face. See, not with a chainsaw, though. That's a bit too much for my liking right there. Like, I thought he was down, too. Like, I really... And then I hear the chainsaw was so quiet. I don't want to see the cutscene even. I just want to get this over with. That was some bullshit right there. That was some bullshit. Like, how the fuck did that happen to me? Okay, dude, you're gonna have to move. Dude, Leon, put on the gun. Yes, I'm here. You guys gotta move, okay? Okay? Oh, God. Get off me. I didn't pick up the second grenade this time. It's all good, because I'm fucking yell up this time. I don't care. Love it. Beautiful. Oh my God. Move, move, move. Use my Pineapple Express right there. Who else is here? Kite you guys up together. One more time. Woo, woo, woo! Ha ha ha! Can't fucking catch this. Throw this flash grenade. Batman style. I love how they're like so close to catching you, but they don't do it. Leon, put on the gun. Guys can't catch this. Ow, bitch. I'm not even after you. Get off of me, bitch. I don't have it. I don't have your money. Damn. See, he's not your friend either. Look at him fucking using that. Look at that. A friend of yours would not do that. You guys love touching me, man. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Get off, get off, get off. I wanted to kill him. I wanted to kill him. There's still a chance. Yes, he died. He died. Yes. Yes. I did it. I did it. I killed him. I killed the chainsaw man. In the chainsaw demo. I did it. Yes. I did it, son. I'm happy. That's all I wanted to do, guys. That was the secret, I guess, the secrets of this demo, to see if I could kill the Chainsaw Man with all the things they give you. I did it. Gonna drink some wine. No, I'm not drinking wine. Still on my break. I'm still on my break. Right? The best damn line in the game, son. Like, what happened? Like, where's everyone going? Bingo? Ah, the clean.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Except your Uber driver, because he's on fire. Yeah. Uberman, he got burnt up. But I got 3,000 pedestas. He said the thing. Yes, he did. Hey! Got a lot more money. Enemies killed 23. That's the first time I did this. I said I killed 10 enemies. So the fact that I killed 23 means I fucked that village up. My health was still high too, I think. But yes, guys, yes. Thank you so much, like usual, for tuning in. It's your boy Nakarat. This will be available March 24th, 2023. Go to the PS Store to purchase the game, of course. I'll be buying it digital. What a streaming event this game will be. Alright, guys, like usual. You know I end this thing off. Of course, always. Appreciate you guys always tuning in. It's your boy Nakarat. Stay well. Be confident. And, I know life's ghetto at times, but you can do it. We're all doing it. I don't know, some motivation before midnight. Alright, guys, once again, be seeing you soon, most likely tomorrow. I'll be playing RE4 to continue my regular playthrough so I can prepare for this new remastered remake of a game. This beautiful game. But alright, guys, stay well, be well. Nakarat is out. Later.